organic crop. There's no cement during the Spanish time. They work here.
Here, one thing is that when you're crossing, no street lights, so you just have to go, man. You have to run, like, guys, you have to run or else suffer, man. Riders today, so yeah. So guys, I'm gonna start a new adventure using this to go so many places. So here we go. So guys, yeah, okay. So guys, this is it. And Mambuhay.
We will go around to the old city of Manila.
Okay, so
Old
excited to
Manila.
start this venture. So we're going.
You know that the Spanish invaded Intramuros
Okay.
in June 24, 1571 by Miguel Lopez de Legazpi.
Okay.
And our first independence to the Spanish was June 12,
Okay.
1898.
Alright.
That's why the Spanish colonized Intramuros for 333 years.
Oh.
First attack in Intramuros by the Chinese pirates in 1574.
Okay.
They almost burned Intramuros.
Oh.
They used the bow and arrow with fire. That's the group of Limahong. Then the British. The British was here in 1762 to 1764. 2 years. The American in 1901. 40 years in the Japanese. In 1942 to 1945.
Oh.
3 years Second World War.
Okay.
But all here destroyed in Second World War.
Yeah.
They renovated this place in 1979
Okay.
and they put the law. The PID is 1616. If you want to build a house or a building, only Spanish architecture is allowed to build here. During the Spanish time, inside Intramuros we had 7 churches, 6 schools, the city hall, the palace, the military camp, that's one of the customs, and the hospital, all destroyed.
Okay.
Only one survived, San Agustin Church.
Okay.
And this is the second oldest church, Manila
Oh.
Cathedral, 1581.
Oh, I see.
The history of Manila Cathedral is 8 times a structure destroyed.
Wow.
First by fire, typhoon, mostly an earthquake in 16th to 18th century, and last destroyed in Battle of Manila in Second World War.
Oh.
Rebuilt the church in 1953 to 1958. The government of Japan donated 60,000 bags of cement.
Okay.
The American, the Spanish to rebuild Manila Cathedral.
Ah.
And this is one of the church before.
Oh, this place.
This is San Ignacio
Oh.
in 1878.
Like.
Now it's the Centro Tourist Mall.
Oh.
It's a museum now.
Yeah, Church of San.
San Ignacio.
So next where we are going to?
San Agustin,
Ah, San Agustin.
the oldest stone church.
Oh, that's good.
Yan ang pinakaluma ko yan.
And the former site of one of the school is here before.
Oh.
Coleo de Santa Isabel in 1632, destroyed in Second World War.
Oh, I see.
That's why Coleo de Santa Isabel moved in Top Avenue.
Ah.
And that's the memorarium of Manila 1945.
Oh, here.
All victim of Second World War. That's why it indicates
Oh,
men,
yeah.
women, children,
Yeah.
baby.
Yes, yes.
That's like a mass grave.
Yeah.
They start killing the civilian in February 3 up to March 3 for 1 month. The victim is 100,000. Massacre during the Japanese occupation.
Oh my God.
And the office of our cardinal, the Catholic Bishop Conference of the Philippines.
Philippines.
the office of Jose Advintula. And that's the Spanish house. They call it Barrio San Luis.
Ah.
And big houses. 9 rich family lived that house before. It was been destroyed. They sent engineer and architect
And right.
to write
Oh.
education.
Oh.
They said 100 Filipino people in the United States of America to be a professional. If they want to be a doctor. Because during this Spanish time, we have 5 entrances. We have entrance for the priest,
Okay.
for the governor general,
Okay.
for the Spanish, for the soldier, and going to Chinatown. There's a discrimination. And this is the Galleria de los Presidente. The República Filipinas does 16th President of the Philippines.
Okay.
And we have, but we have all in all is 17.
Oh, these are the presidents of Philippines.
Starting Emilio Aguinaldo up to Duterte.
Oh.
The current president finished his term first. And you see this ruin. During the Spanish time, they call this the Cuartel de Santa Lucia.
Okay.
The office of the Guardia Civil Veterana. And the office adobe.
Okay.
It's a volcanic rock. There's no cement during the Spanish time.